Imagine waking up one morning and finding out your barber, your cousin, even your grandma all are buying AI stocks. Sound crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what's happening in South Korea. People aren't investing because they understand AI. They are investing because everyone else is making money. And history says this almost never ends well. Just few years ago, AI was only a buzzword. Today, one company simply adds AI to its name and the investor rush to buy the stock. Some AI related stocks have doubled or even tripled in very short time. The fear of missing out FOMO is taking over. People think if I don't invest today, I will regret tomorrow. But here is the problem. Many of these companies aren't even making serious profit from the AI yet. Their stock prices are rising much faster than their actual business. That's called a bubble, and bubbles don't last forever. We have seen this movie before. Back in 2000, during the dot-com bubble, any company with .com in its name became a stock market superstar. People believed the internet would make everyone rich overnight. Then reality hit. The bubble burst. Trillions of dollars disappeared overnight from the market. Millions of investors lost their savings. Today the world has changed from .com to AI. But the human behavior hasn't changed at all. Here is the scary part. South Korea isn't the only country doing this. The US, Japan, India, investors everywhere are pouring money into AI. Yes, AI will change the future, but not every AI company will become the next Nvidia or OpenAI. Many will fail, and when expectations become bigger than reality, the market eventually corrects itself. So the real lesson isn't don't invest in AI. It is this: never invest just because everyone else is. Because when greed becomes louder than logic, history has a habit of repeating itself. In South Korea, AI stock Manila might be just be the old next warning.